The top hashtags that can make you go viral in 2025. Tips for creating videos that TikTok's algorithm loves. And 3, how to turn those views into actual money. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where you can source for all things content creation and social media growth. Are you trying to blow up on TikTok in 2025? You are in the right place. TikTok is not just about dancing and lip syncing anymore. It is a goldmine for creators who know what they are doing. But here is the catch. Without the right strategy, your videos might never reach for your page. In this video, I am breaking down 3 powerful things. 1. The top hashtags that can make you go viral in 2025. 2. Tips for creating videos that TikTok's algorithm loves. And 3. How to turn those views into actual money. So guys, let us start with the viral TikTok hashtags for 2025. They still matter, but only if you use them right. TikTok's algorithm uses hashtags to figure out what your content is about and who to show it to. So guys, these are the hashtags categories that are trending and performing well this year. I will group them into 3. Group 1 is niche specific hashtags. These hashtags helps TikTok show your content to the right audience. For example, hashtag Book Talk 2025. This is for authors, readers, and book reviews. Hashtag Fitness for You. Hashtag Forex Tips 2025. Hashtag Small Business 2025. Hashtag AI Explained. Group 2 hashtags is trending hashtags. These hashtags usually change weekly, so make sure to check TikTok's Discover tab or tools like Trend Talk. Examples are hashtag Storytime, hashtag Run on TikTok, hashtag TikTok made me buy it, hashtag Day in my life, hashtag Behind the scenes. Group 3 are viral format hashtags. These hashtags tap into TikTok trends or formats that are algorithm friendly. Examples: hashtag CapCut template, hashtag POV, hashtag before and after, hashtag 3 things I did. Let me now guys give you tips for creating viral TikTok videos. 1. Hook in for the first 3 seconds. Viewers scroll fast. Use a bold statement, surprising fact, or a quick visual shock to hook them up. Keep it short and engaging. Shorter videos, mostly at 30 seconds, are currently favored. But if your content is solid, longer videos with storytelling also work. Just keep the retention high. 3. Use captions and on-screen text. Most viewers, they scroll with sound off. Add some text to guide your message and increase retention. Number 4 is jump on trends fast. Use trending sounds, templates, and formats early, within 24 to 48 hours of them starting. 5. Post consistently. Aim for a 1 to 3 posts per day if possible. Volume gives you more chances to go viral and run what works. Engage with comments and duets. That is, you can also reply to comments in video format. It boosts engagement and encourage community. Now guys, how do you make TikTok pay you? There are 3 main ways to earn money on TikTok in 2025. 1. It is TikTok Creator Rewards Program. This one replaced the old creator fund. TikTok pays you based on watch time and engagement, not just views. To join, you usually need 10,000 followers, 100,000 views in the last 30 days, high engagement, that is likes, comments, and shares. The other way that TikTok pay you is through affiliate links and products promotion. Use the link in your bio or TikTok shop. Promote Amazon, AU Express, or other affiliate products. Use hashtag like TikTok made me buy or TikTok made me buy it. Hashtag TikTok made me buy the product. Hashtag TikTok made me buy this product. Focused hashtag. Then share honest reviews, all before and after results. The other way that TikTok can pay you is through brand deals. As you grow, brands will reach out for paid collabs. So guys, those are the TikTok's 2025 viral strategies that you can use. Remember, the key to success is consistency, creativity, and engagement. Use those trending hashtags wisely. Craft comparing content and explore all the ways TikTok can help you earn income while doing what you love. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with fellow creators, and don't forget to subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until next time, keep creating and stay viral. Bye.